I'm more proud of her for being so strong, to fight every day, to stay clean. I'm more proud of her for doing that than if she would have gotten a PhD.
Last night on our sister station, NBC 25 News at 11, they introduced you to a Michigan mother and daughter who shared their journey of addiction and recovery. Katie Donovan has been by her daughter Brittany Sherfield's side through it all. Brittany is now 25 years old and 2 years sober. Their struggle with addiction is a Michigan story as the state is experiencing a heroin crisis. Fox 6 anchor Sadie Hughes joining us now to continue their story, sharing how they've taken Brittany's success in sobriety and are now sharing it with others.
Bill, Brittany and Katie know that addicts in Michigan need all the help they can get. The Michigan Department of Health and Human Services preliminary data for 2015 shows 844 overdose deaths from opiates. Now that includes prescription painkillers like Vicodin, codeine, and methadone. MDHHS also notes 644 deaths from heroin in 2015. Katie and Brittany are now working to change those numbers through their support of an initiative called Hope, Not Handcuffs.
Hope. Katie Donovan never let go.
But you never give up on your kids.
Her daughter Brittany handcuffed by addiction. It started with prescription painkillers at 17, then escalated to heroin.
There was nothing I wouldn't do for the drug to just make those withdrawals go away. I just wanted to feel better.
It took 17 treatment centers in 4 different states over 7 years before facing jail time was enough to scare Brittany toward sobriety. Katie struggled through it all alongside her daughter.
You don't know what to do. And I know there's millions of families out there who feel the same way. And I just want to help them.
The problem is so large in Michigan, the governor appointed a prescription drug and opiate abuse task force. In their 2015 report, they found Michigan hospitalizations involving opiates more than doubled from 2000 to 2011. The same report concluded that the surge in heroin use and addiction is closely linked to the growing prescription drug epidemic.
This disease affects everybody. I've been in treatment with lawyers, doctors, and then people that have been homeless their entire lives.
Judge Linda Davis runs a drug court and is the president of the Macomb County Families Against Narcotics, or FAN.
I think this is one of the worst health crises that we've ever experienced in the United States, and yet we are moving so slowly at doing anything to resolve it.
Judge Davis, Brittany, and Katie, all part of FAN, part of a new initiative working with the Sheriff's Department to save lives.
We haven't been able to arrest our way out of this problem.
Macomb County Sheriff Anthony Wickersham says they receive 4 to 5 911 calls related to an overdose every day. They've tried enforcement. They've tried educating the community. So now the Sheriff's Department, along with every other police department in the county, is opening their doors to addicts, a program that could inspire more police departments in Michigan. It's called Hope, Not Handcuffs.
We've got to try something.
The program welcomes anyone struggling with addiction to walk into the Sheriff's Department and ask for help. Then they'll be put in touch with the treatment options available to them.
The last place an addict really thinks that they're going to get help is to walk into a police station.
Angels like Lisa Bosca are their first contact.
They just need to know that there's resources out there. A lot of them don't even know that.
And that angel will then do a pre-assessment and we'll find them a bed and treatment.
More than 250 people have signed up as angels to assist addicts coming into the program. Insurance will help cover treatment. If an addict doesn't have it, the program will help them get it. For Lisa, it's personal. Her son has battled addiction.
I just wanted to help them know that there's a light at the end of the tunnel for their children and for themselves.
Jason Mittler relates. He, like Lisa's son, like Brittany, is an addict.
I was keeping it a secret basically from everybody.
But while Brittany ended up homeless and jobless, Jason is a full-time Chrysler employee, once addicted to prescription drugs.
I was a very functional addict. I went to work 13 hours a day, 4 or 5 times a week.
He says reaching out to FAN and hearing from Katie saved him.
I went through 10 years of not knowing that there's anybody out there to help. I don't want other people to suffer.
And as addicts find peace, the community finds its own redemption.
I know for a fact if we can get on out there and help these individuals and get them into treatment, our crime statistics will drop.
Hope,
I think that's really cool. I think it really is that so many people can come together as a community and really fight this epidemic.
Helping others break free from the handcuffs.
Do you feel like you've saved lives?
I hope I have.
The Hope Not Handcuffs program is modeled after one that started in Massachusetts. Now there are 160 similar programs around the country. A New England Journal of Medicine study found only 4% of people that sought treatment through those programs changed their minds. Now that study concluded this initiative is far more successful at placing people in recovery programs than hospital-based programs.
Powerful testimony. So the Macomb County program, Sadie, began in February. Have they had any addicts coming through the doors to take advantage of the program?
They have in the first 17 days of the month. About 45
Wow.
people have been placed in treatment so far.
So it's working.
So far,
So-
they're doing really well. You know, they said at first, Sadie, if we get one
Well, they'd be
person, we
happy,
think that
right,
it's a
17.
success.
All right, you've covered a lot of territory over the past couple of days with resources on where the public can go to help. It's available on our websites, right?
That's right, WSMH.com.
All right, thank you.